Hi everyone, so today is a shopping day where I'm going to use my envelopes, pull them out of my binders, and do a little planned shopping. This is one of the reasons why I like using this system, because it's really helped me to not overspend, to really plan out my shopping trips, and to just be mindful of all that. And because I used to have a problem with overspending at the stores, so this has really helped to stop that. So I'm planning to go to a few stores. Actually, I'm planning to first go to the bank because I need to get my money for my cash stuffings. So my usual routine when it comes to going to the bank is I go on Saturday morning. I have a bank nearby that's open. When it comes to my bank, some of them are not open on Saturdays, but thankfully the one that is not too far from me that I like to go to is open on Saturdays. So I like to get there pretty early. I think they open at 9 and just get it out of the way. They're only open till noon. So usually I try to get there at least before that to get my money. So I'm gonna do that, and then usually what I do after that is I go to Starbucks. I treat myself to some Starbucks for the weekend, and then I come home. But I'm actually going to do a little shopping beforehand because I have something I have to do later, so I need to get that done pretty early. There's a couple of things I want to do, but first I'm going to go into my purse and get my wallet, and also I want to share what I do with my change, because I always forget to show that. I just do it on my own, but I'm going to do it in this video. So I have my wallet. I'm just going to grab my wallet out of here, and then I have this little bag right here that I just literally throw the change. I have receipts, which I will scan into Fetch. So definitely keep your receipts, get that Fetch app. I right now almost have enough, I think, for a $25 gift card, $25 gift card to Ulta. So that's pretty cool. You get to pick where you want to get the gift cards to, and I usually pick Ulta and Sephora, since stuff there is expensive. It helps to cut down on the cost. So you just take pictures of your receipts and you get points. So I'm gonna do that with this. So I usually keep them in here just to remember to take them out. I have a bunch of things in here actually, but I like to throw my coins in here because it's just easier for me to get them in here versus in the pocket in here, and it's also easier for me to just dump into here. So this is where I collect the coins, and sometimes I use change to spend when I'm out and about, say if something is 10:03, and if I have 3 cents, I'll dig it out of here. So depending on the amount of change I might get back, it's just sometimes a little bit easier just to give them the exact change. But honestly, sometimes I just prefer getting all the change because I end up saving all of this. This is just another form of savings for me. So as you can see, I have this container. I got this from Walmart. Pretty inexpensive over there. They always have them in stock. And I just dump all my coins in. Oh, I have little rings in here for some reason because I just dump everything in here. But I'm just gonna dump all this in here, so that way it's out of my bag, because it does add weight to the bag. And then once this is a little bit fuller, almost full, then I will roll my coins. My bank only accepts rolled coins, so make sure you find out what your bank prefers. They only accept rolled coins. They do give me the wrappers for free, so I don't have to pay for those, but I do have to roll them myself, which I don't mind doing. I have a little tray that I do that I can easily count these and roll them, and I just do that while I'm watching TV. But right now I'm not even near being able to do that. So I'm just going to collect the coins, so that goes in there, and put all my stuff back in here that I usually keep in this little pouch right here. Oh, and I actually bought something else for coins because I want to try something else out. So in this little back pocket, I have this that I figured would be good for collecting coins. It came in a bunch of different colors. I have a few colors. It was only $9 for the sets of I think 4 of these. So I think this might be good to just collect the coins in. another easy way to dump them in. I'll link that one. That was a cute one. I just haven't started using it yet, but I'm going to start using it. So, now I'm to my wallet part. So I have my wallet. I have my cash. This is the sticky note I use to give to the teller to request the money that I need for this week's cash stuffing. So I always keep that in here, so that way I always have it and don't forget it. Now I'm gonna go to a few places to shop. So I'm gonna go through my binders to pull out the correct, like the appropriate envelopes that I need to take, because I don't take all my binders with me. I just take the ones that I might spend from when I'm out and about. So the first place I want to go to is to Dick's Sporting Goods, because I want to get some new shoes and they have them in stock. The only thing is they're only showing one in stock, so it might not be there. So we'll see if I'll get new shoes today. But I'm going to use clothing because for me, this envelope pertains to anything I wear. I don't want to have just a shoe envelope. I feel like I don't need that. But clothing all around, like anything that has to do with me wearing it, that's going to be clothing. So that falls in line. Now I do have, let's see, I have $75. I think the shoes cost $70. So with tax, I'm going to be a little under, but I plan on returning a clothing item that I bought yesterday to Target, and that was about $25 plus tax. So that'll put the money back in here, because I'm going to do that probably after I buy the shoes. So it'll all work out in the end. Like I'll have all the money I need for this, for if I do buy the shoes. So we'll see. Oh, beauty was another one I wanted to do, because I want to go to Ulta and buy something. I think I have enough, $21. Now, if I don't have enough, if it costs like a little bit more than 21, then I will just go into, like, either I have buffer, because buffer acts as like if I need extra money, I have a few dollars in here, or I'll just go into spending, because I have some money in spending still to kind of make up the difference. That's what I can do if I need more. So that's one other place I need to go. And then I'm gonna be at Target, so I'm gonna get, usually when I go to Target, if I plan on going to Target, I will bring my Target envelope. So I'm just gonna grab Target. I barely have anything in here. I have $4 in here, which is like not a lot, but I could use this, I think, with household, because I need to buy some like toilet cleaner. So I'm going to use household to buy that. I can't remember how much they cost. I don't think they cost more than, I only have $12 in here. I don't think they cost more than $12, but if it does cost more than $12, I'm going to use Target to kind of, you know, make up the difference. That's kind of how I work these envelopes if I need to. And that's why I like having extra categories. But it's a lot. But if you can manage it, it's nice to have like different categories for things, and then I can like dip into other ones that kind of go with it. So whenever I go to Target, like Target envelope is for anything at Target, even if I have like an envelope for it already for something that I'm buying there, but it's just ways that I can like bump this up a little bit more if I need to. Okay, I think those are the only places that I'm going to. Let me just, yeah, I'm not going to Costco. This, no. Hobbies, no. I'm not buying decor. Okay, maybe I'll take home decor, because I'm going to Target. So I'm not planning on buying anything, but sometimes like they, you know, they put out nice things. And right now they've changed out all the stuff. There's no longer any Christmas stuff. So there might be some like cute new things that I could look at and see to buy since I'm there. Okay, but I think this is it. This is kind of like what I'm thinking I'm going to take with me, just in case I have it. And then all I do is just put it in my wallet. Just stick all these back here. And then now I have them to spend. Okay, and then I will try my best, because I know in my last video people asked to like see like a little shopping with me. I'm not good at those. I might do like where maybe you can see the stuff that I'm looking at, like a visual of it. I don't think I'm ready to like be talking to myself in Target or at stores, so we'll see. But I could possibly take some little snapshots or little clips of what I'm doing out and about. So, but I definitely am going to come back after I spend and then show you like how much I spent and how I update my trackers and do all of that process. But yeah, but after that, I just put this back in my purse. This is good to go. And now I can go to the bank and I can go shopping. I don't have any money in my coffee envelope anymore, but I do have money on my app because I reloaded. My drink usually costs $6, but sometimes I get like $1 off reward, so 6 and 5, so I can get a couple of drinks through the week with my $20. So I have one more coffee that I can buy this week before I cash stuff. So that's what I plan on doing today, but that'll be like the last thing I do is on my list, is to do that. I am back from shopping and I was actually able to find everything that I needed, so that's good. I went to the bank first. I'm just gonna unload my bag, and I have got some stuff over here. So I have the cash from my cash stuffing. I went to the bank, got all the cash, gave them that little sticky note, and then this is the cash for that. So that'll be upcoming. And then I did use the new little pouch that I have. Actually worked out pretty well. So this is all the change I have in here from all my purchases that I did. So I'm just gonna, dump this in. Let's see. Okay, easy, super easy. So that'll collect in there. And then just put that aside, and then this will go back in the back pocket. Now for my wallet, and I have some receipts, but I think they're in the bags, which I will scan into Fetch so I can get those points. But in my wallet, so I no longer need this, I'm going to take out all of the envelopes that I spent from. Now, I don't track anything when it comes to the ones that stay in my wallet because that's just my weekly spending for the week, so I don't need to track that. So I did have to dip into like spending, or I had to dip into like buffer, something like that. But again, I don't track that, so if I grab from there, it's not a big deal. I just take from there and then that's it. I'm going to pull out all these envelopes that I initially put in. So I have Beauty, which I actually bought some, I think I put some little cuts of video of what I was looking at. So I just bought some like blackhead kind of stuff from Ulta, and I went to the Ulta that's attached to the mall and it was closed, so yeah, that was fun. It was closed. Oh, it wasn't open until 11. I didn't know the mall didn't open until 11, which was kind of annoying. Thankfully Dick's was open already when I got there around like 10, so I didn't have to wait around, but I did have to wait around for this one to be open. So I have $2 left, so minus 19, 2. So I just update my trackers on these. Target, I spent everything because I had to buy something else. And also the cleaners that I bought were a little bit more with tax than I had, so that one I just used Target. So now this one's at 0. Okay, household, I spent all of this because I got like the bigger pack of cleaners, so I was gonna get the smaller one, but I was like, I might as well just get the bigger one. It's cheaper in the long run. And then home decor, I didn't spend anything in, so I don't have to update this. I did look at that area, but I didn't get anything. And then clothing, because I bought my shoes. Oh, and I had money in here. My shoes were like a little bit more than $75. They were 70, I think they were 77, I think, but I took some money out of here, like some dollars. And also I went back to Target and I returned a shirt that I didn't want. So I used that money in here. So it's not on here, like on the tracker, but I'm just going to subtract and just, it is what it is. So I have $25 left. So I'm just going to put 50. My shoes cost more than that, but again, I had money, I got cash back from my return, so that's why I had enough for this one. So we're good on that one. So I was able to use all of my envelopes. I went to Starbucks, I had $8 left on Starbucks, and my drink is like $6, so I was able to get that with my app, and I didn't have to use my card. I just used my envelopes, I used my cash that I had on hand. So I'm just gonna put these back. This is just my whole process. After I go shopping, update these, put them back in here. I like to put them in alphabetical order just because it's a little bit easier to find since I have a few of these. So beauty goes first. Beauty, and then I had a clothing, I think. These go here, and then I have Target goes in the back. And I believe household is next. And then home decor. Okay, so these are all back where they belong, so I can cash stuff, put more money in later. But for now, that is it. That is how I spent my envelopes today. So I hope you all enjoyed coming along with me for that, and hopefully I give you a little bit more info on how I use these envelopes in my day-to-day when it comes to shopping. Super helpful. Again, it's nice to plan things out, plan out your shopping trips, and stay focused on it. Because I could have easily, like when I was at the mall, could have easily gone to other stores, but I just went, like I had my plan. I was going to Dick's, and then I was going to Ulta, and that was it. So didn't wander off anywhere else, so that's good, and spend money unnecessarily. So that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. If you're not already, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I hope to see you in the next video.